Hai, evening, selamat petang. Today kita akan buat tutorial untuk pasang mesin basuh inlet daripada satu pipe main, kita split kepada dua. We're going to install two hose going to two washing machine, one top loadings and one front loading. Then from the main inlet pipe, we will split it into two. Then we'll attach it together into one, and now I'm going to show you how it's going to be done and what are the tools that I will be going to use. And these are the items that I have bought through Shopee, and this is also some of the tools that you will need to fix if you have similar situation like me. Okay, this is the top loading and the front loading. This is my main inlet, and the gadget or contraption that I will be using is this. The blue splitter is I got it from Shopee. So this is how it looks. So this part, the things that I like is because the screw type kind of inlet, because my top loading front loading is having such interconnecting hose, and it may varies according to your situation, and the other hose is having this kind of tip. So it will be useful if you're having this on your end, one of the end. So if you haven't able to, you want to have to exchange it, so this one can fix directly from the hose to this device or contraption. To start off, we have to take out this one will be the one going to my front loading hose. So we'll fix the white tape. This is the tools that you will need. So you just fix it, make sure that it's fully covered, and this is to ensure that there will be no water residue coming out from the hose once you have tightened it. So just fix it until you feels it will be tight when you screw in the hose into this place. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, should this be good? Then you fix the hose in. And don't forget, in the hose there is a rubber washer already is being provided together with this hose. So you will be expecting some of the thread will be exposed, but no worries, it will be very tight here. Okay, then for the other hose, you have to take out this thing out to ensure that it will also be tight and nicely fit in. Okay, here it goes. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, this should be enough. And let's fix this in. Okay, now this is how the hose should be, and then we'll just have to fix this in. Pull this down and it goes in and you push it back so it will tightly attach. Okay, next, after completing the splitter in, how do I connect to my main inlet? So my main looks like this, so I need to remove this external socket and replace it with this. This will be fixed into, the size is similar to this thread, so once I remove it, it should fit in. So there goes, placing it. So this is the size. The size is actually is a standard size, but I'll get the measurement for you. Hold on, let me get my tools. This is the measurement of the inside of this external extension. Is about 19.7 mm. If I were to change it into inch, it's about 0.77 inch. So this is the size that you should get if you are looking for something similar. Let me get you on the outer diameter of this item. This is the size of this additional hose connector. It's about 1.2 inch, and if I would change it into mm, it will be roughly about 1.3, if you can see. So let's continue. We'll fix this into here. You can see there's a washer, a rubber washer is already provided. So once you fix this in, it should, and please make sure it's very tight, and the bottom is there's a plastic cover, so you don't have to worry if you were to screw it too deep or too far inside. But to be safe, make sure that you have these thread being protected by this similar tape, white tape. I think I have to fix more into it to ensure that no leaking once I assemble the extension. Once you have fixed the white tape in, make sure this is very tight, and once that has been done, you can now fix this contraption in, so it should fit in nicely. So here there's another round of white tape, you need to fix it. So once that is done, you just screw it in, and then you'll be off and you'll be able to use both of this washing machine. Yeah, it will be, this is a very cheap solution. Altogether it won't reach 15 ringgit. I'll share you the link where to go to get all this main thing. Be right back. I'll be fixing the white tape. Now let's fix this in. I've put the white tape on the socket. Sorry about that. There was a very something wrong with stand. So now once I fix the white tape, I'll just need to screw this in. Make sure that the socket and the incoming socket is nicely fit in. So now you just have to screw it in and until it reaches to the top. And don't worry, there is a similar washer, rubber washer in this. Now you're done, you can try to open the inlet. Hopefully no leaking. Yeah, that's it. So this is the switch, so the water will be flowing if it's facing this side. So if you turn this side, and it will be closed, so they'll see that there will be leaking here. So to this splitter is having some default, but never mind, as long it works when it's switched on. Yeah, okay. Now I'm done. There you have it. I've attached the splitter to the pipe without even replacing this. So it will be, this is one of the cheap solution to resolve this. So hopefully this will help. See everyone again.